Today, my version of Chat GPT finally received the latest update that allows you to build mini GPTs. To get to it, you go to Explore in the left column, and you'll see My GPTs at the top. You basically just click the plus button, and it takes you to the GPT builder. Now, I could put in a prompt here and let Chat GPT kind of build something for me. I tried that. It's not great, so I'm going to tab over to Configure, and this gives you more control over what you build. So I'm going to start there. I'm going to tab over to Structured Prompt. I'm going to quickly build a prompt with AI Assist. I'm going to click Add with AI Assist, and the model I want is Expert Guidance, which creates an expert role and leads you through the process of learning something or achieving a goal. So I'm going to call this Mini GPT Python Coach. And this is just the name, for my reference in my prompt library. It doesn't affect the actual prompt. And I'm going to copy and paste in my prompt that I'm sending to Structured Prompt. So my starter prompt is act as a professional programmer and friendly mentor. Begin by asking the user about their level of proficiency with programming in Python, and then suggest a few topics of interest, or let the user suggest a topic. So that's good. So I'm going to click Submit, and this will go out and build a structured prompt. And it takes 15 to 30 seconds usually to do that. And so there it is. So if I expand it, here's my prompt, and this pretty complex prompt structure, but it takes you through. It asks the user their skill level, identifies topics and things like that. So I'm going to copy to clipboard. I'll head over to Chat GPT. And I'm just going to start filling out these fields under Configure. So the name of my prompt is, I'll call it Python Coach. And for instructions, I paste in that entire prompt that I generated with Structured Prompt. So those are under my instructions. I have a description typed out. So my description will appear on my prompt screen. So right now it's Python Coach. I will start by asking you for your level of expertise, then help you learn to program, and then a little blurb about it was created with Structured Prompt. So that's there. As far as conversation starters, I really don't need one. I'd rather have them just start typing. I could put in hello or something like that. I'll just put in hello. And knowledge files, none necessary in this case, but I could, if I had a guide to programming in Python, this is where I could upload that. I'm going to uncheck web browsing and uncheck image generation, but leave code interpreter checked, since this is about programming in Python. And at this point I can save it. So I'm going to, for now, save it to only me so that I can preview it. I'm going to confirm that. And now I'm out on my Python Coach. And so if I'll just click my hello prompt, and Python Coach does its thing. It greets me. It introduces itself and asks me my level of experience. I'm a beginner. And from here it'll take me through and identify learning topics, or let me suggest things that I'd like to learn, and go from there. And we looked at this a couple days ago in the Playground version. This prompt format does have different commands. Like I could go to options, and it'll show me all the settings. So this is set to emojis is enabled. There's an echo back command. There's some markdown options and things like that. So if I wanted to disable emojis, I could just say set emojis to false, or I could say turn off emojis, and it would remember that setting, for the duration of the prompt. So it's pretty powerful prompt structure, and now it's out there. So if at this point, if I want to edit it, it looks like you could edit it here because it's got an edit icon, but this is actually a new chat icon. So to edit this, I would go to Explore again and Edit, and that takes me right back now where we started. I can go to Configure and edit from there. If I want to share it with the world, I'll just make it public. And once I make it public, I can edit. I have a couple of things. I could show my name if I wanted to, which I'm just going to leave that blank. I can also show a link to a website, and I had to verify the website. You have to upload a text file to your DNS settings. But so I'm going to show the structured prompt website on there. There are other settings that basically have more to do with your Chat GPT settings, but this is your builder profile, and so that's good. And then I can confirm it to push it live. And at that point I can go view GPT, and anyone who has this link has access to it. So I'm going to I'll post this prompt so that you have access to it. And again, if you're a structured prompt beta tester, this is all out in structured prompt right now, and you can use it right off the bat. But I'll put together a post that kind of shows this video and also the prompt itself.